Hi, and welcome back. So at this point, we've created our new workplace account, and we may need to log out of the application that we are currently in that is using the previous version. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the gear icon down here in the bottom right-hand corner, okay? And we are going to scroll down to where we have this sign out option. And I want you to go ahead and press that sign out option. Now, when you press the sign out option, you're going to be prompted and it brings you back to this screen to log back in. And this is where I want you to click on where it says looking for the new app. Click here. If you click there, this will bring you to a question to where you could select how you want to proceed. And what we did is we migrated you from the Evoko workplace to the Biamp workplace. So I want you to go ahead and select Biamp workplace new booking experience, and it'll bring you to this login screen. If you want to toggle back to the old app, you could do so here, but we're going to continue with the new Biamp experience, and I'm going to go ahead and press sign in and continue. Here I'm going to pick the account Rocky at demo.evoko.se and log in. And here you can see I'm greeted with the new mobile app experience. If you want to log out of this account, just toggle the profile in the top right hand corner where the initials are, scroll down, and press sign out. Once you sign out, you are greeted back to this screen where you can navigate back to the old app if you'd like, or choose which experience you would like to do. Thanks for watching.